Okay, this is the keyhole that we're going to be showing you how to use. Okay, let's see. The door is open right now, so you can see that. How easy this doorknob works. It's just a real easy little thing that you can see. Okay, we're going to lock the door. We can lock it with the key. This is the key to the lock. And now the door is locked. Can't get in. No way. I'm putting a lot of... There ain't no way this is going to open. It's locked. Okay. Unless you have the key. Then the key goes right in. And then it turns and you're in. Okay. That's how that works. That's the normal way the key works. Now, stick it in. Okay, we're going to lock the door. Okay, it's locked. Okay, now we're going to install, say we left to the market, didn't want no one to get in, or maybe we don't want no one to get in after, maybe we're going to sleep. You stick your key hole block in there, and no one can get their key in there now. There it is. No one can get their key in. And it's locked. This is the key that fits it. Anyone that has the key cannot get in there. No way, no how. It can't be picked. It's blocking the keyhole. Now, this comes with another part, and we'll call it the key removal tool. And we just go like this. Get that in there like that. And we remove our key block. Now we can use the key. It's still locked. And then we can use the key to unlock it. There we go. And it's still unlocked. Now we'll lock it again. That's the lock position. Take the key out. Put our locking device in there. It's in there. So no one can get in. Can't pick it. Can't stick a key in there. And here is the key that fits it, but no one can get in there unless they have the key hole removal tool, which is in my hand, and I will put it in the lock and take out the other part. Now, done with this video. You can get yours as soon as possible. They're $89.